An ecosystem is a complex, self-regulating system in which living things interact with each other as well as non-living things. Biodiversity is the number of different types of organisms that are present in an ecosystem. A sustainable species needs to look at the entire system as a whole. One change can have a ripple effect across the system. A biome contains ecosystem with similar traits. For example, Canada has 6 biomes. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with each other as well as their environment. Biotic factors are living things, and abiotic factors are non-living things. Marine biomes live in salt water. Population is the number of organisms of a certain species within an ecosystem. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere build the Earth's biosphere. Rock, sand, water, dirt, and oxygen are abiotic things that can be found in your garden. Flowers, bacteria, worms, birds, and fungi are biotic things that can be found in your garden. Light, energy, carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen are needed to produce photosynthesis. Plants convert the energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of glucose, sugar. Carbon dioxide, water, and light energy are consumed in order to provide oxygen and glucose. Cellular respiration is a process organisms use to obtain energy from glucose and other carbohydrates. Plants need a continuous supply of energy for functions such as growth, repair of tissues, and reproductions. Producers are organisms that carry out photosynthesis. Decomposers feed off only on organic matter. Consumers are organisms that eat other organisms to obtain energy because it cannot produce its own food. Carbon dioxide, water, and light energy produce oxygen and glucose, and vice versa. The first trophic level is an organism that makes its own food from basic nutrients and sunlight, the producer. The primary consumer is an organism that feed on the producers. Secondary consumers are animals that are in the third trophic level, organisms that eat other organisms in order to obtain their energy. Decomposers is bacteria. Decomposers consume dead organic matter. Consumers are organisms that eat anything else. The process of cellular respiration and photosynthesis are almost the same, just switched around. The producers contain most energy because they absorb 100% energy of what they eat. Producers give energy to primary consumers. Primary consumers give energy to secondary consumers. Plants would die because cellular respiration provides it with carbon dioxide, water, and usable energy. Therefore, it cannot live without it. The animals only receive 10% of the energy. 60% is passed on as waste, and 30% is used to keep the animal alive. Each species in an ecosystem tends to have a different niche, which helps to reduce competition between species for the same territory and resources. Commensalism is when one species benefits and the other is not affected. Mutualism, both species benefit from a relationship. Parasitism, one species benefits while harming the other. The limiting factor is the niche of the population.